The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is poised to be a technological marvel, pushing the boundaries of smartphone capabilities. Building upon the success of its predecessors, this flagship device promises to deliver an unparalleled user experience, a display that captivates. Expect a stunning dynamic AMOLED 2X display that offers vibrant colors, deep blacks, and exceptional brightness. With an adaptive refresh rate, enjoy smooth scrolling and gaming, while the increased screen-to-body ratio provides an immersive viewing experience. Camera reinvented photography enthusiasts will be thrilled by the S25 Ultra's advanced camera system. A groundbreaking primary sensor, coupled with improved telephoto and ultra-wide lenses, will capture breathtaking images in any lighting condition. Expect enhanced low-light performance, faster autofocus, and innovative features like advanced portrait mode and improved video stabilization. Power and performance. At the heart of the S25 Ultra lies a cutting-edge processor, ensuring lightning-fast performance for demanding tasks and seamless multitasking. Coupled with ample RAM and storage, this device will handle everything you throw at it with ease. Design and durability. The S25 Ultra is anticipated to boast a premium build quality, combining sleek aesthetics with exceptional durability. Expect a blend of glass and metal, offering a comfortable grip and resistance to scratches and drops. Additional features. Enhanced S Pen. If the S Pen continues to be a feature, expect improvements in latency and pressure sensitivity for a more natural writing experience. Advanced biometrics. Look for refined fingerprint and facial recognition for secure and convenient unlocking. Improved AI integration. Intelligent features powered by AI will enhance various aspects of the user experience, from photography to productivity. Battery life and charging. A larger battery capacity is expected to provide extended usage time, allowing you to enjoy your device without constant worry about running out of power. Fast charging technology will ensure quick top-ups, while wireless charging options offer added convenience. In conclusion, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be a smartphone that redefines expectations. With its potential for groundbreaking innovations in display, camera, performance, and design, it's a device that will undoubtedly capture the attention of tech enthusiasts and consumers alike. Would you like to focus on a specific aspect of the S25 Ultra, such as its potential camera features or rumored design elements? Thanks for watching the video.